Okay, dear students, let us welcome to study the PPT 9. Here we are going to study session 9. In the session 9, we are going to explain what is modulation index and we shall open and explain for derivation of modulation index. First, let us define what is modulation index in amplitude modulated wave. How do you get amplitude modulated wave? So you have two signals. One is called message signal. This is our message signal. I will represent this as Vm against T. And another is carrier signal. It is represented like this. This is our carrier signal and I will represent this as EC with respect to T. This maximum height is called carrier amplitude EC and this maximum height of message signal is called amplitude of the modulating signal. Then modulation index M is defined as the ratio of EM by EC, that is the ratio of amplitudes of the modulating voltage to the amplitude of the carrier voltage. EM is amplitude of the modulating voltage, EC is amplitude of the carrier voltage. Take the ratio EM by EC. This is called modulation index. So modulation is process of mixing up of this high frequency in accordance with this sound signal. To what depth it is mixing, it is defined by the depth of modulation or modulation index denoted by M. For amplitude modulations, it is denoted by M suffix A, which is defined as ratio of amplitude of the modulating signal to the amplitude of the carrier signal. When these two waves are mixed, you get amplitude modulated wave. It is shown in this figure. This is the amplitude modulated wave. Now, in this amplitude modulated wave, see the amplitude changes and this maximum height is called maximum change. That is, I will call this as V maximum. Whether you can represent this by E maximum or V maximum, both are same. V or E are voltage. So this maximum voltage represented by E maximum. And this is E minimum. This is the minimum voltage of this modulated signal. And this is our Vm, amplitude of modulating signal. This is also the amplitude of modulating signal. From year to year, it is carrier signal, Vc, voltage of the carrier signal. Okay, see this expression. By definition, the modulating, okay, so MA represents the modulation index in amplitude modulated wave. MA, which is defined by ratio of amplitude of modulating signal EM to the amplitude of the carrier signal EC, EM by EC, which can also be expressed in terms of VM by EC. So EM or VM. VM is voltage of modulating signal, EC is carrier voltage, so VC is carrier voltage. Now, see this figure. From this figure, there is a continuous variation in the amplitude of the modulated signal. Here, from year to year, it is maximum voltage. I will call it as V maximum, maximum voltage of amplitude modulated wave. And this is our VM, modulating voltage. This is also modulating voltage. From year to year, it is our carrier voltage VC. From year to year, carrier voltage VC. See this figure, this is a minimum voltage. I will represent here V minimum. So this is V minimum. From this graph, we can see that V maximum is equal to year to year it is VC, year to year it is VM. So VC plus VM is equal to V maximum. Therefore, see, V maximum is equal to Vm plus Vc. come to this equation. V minimum, from here to here it is Vc, here to here it is Vc, this is Vm. Vc minus Vm is equal to V minimum. Therefore another expression is V minimum is equal to Vc minus Vm, V maximum is equal to Vc plus Vm. Add these two equations and you solve. You get V maximum plus V minimum is equal to Vc plus Vc, 2Vc plus Vm minus Vm get cancelled. So V maximum plus V minimum equals 2Vc, or Vc is equal to V maximum plus V minimum divided by 2. Call this expression as number 5. Now subtract these two equations. Subtract equation 2 from 1. You get V maximum minus V minimum. Vc minus Vc get cancelled. Plus Vm minus of minus Vm plus Vm. Vm plus Vm 2Vm. These two get cancelled. Here you get 2Vm, which is equal to V maximum minus V minimum. Therefore V maximum minus V minimum is equal to 2Vm after subtraction, or Vm is equal to V maximum minus V minimum divided by 2. But we know the modulation index M is equal to Vm by Vc. Substitute for Vm and Vc. This is equation 6. See, from equation 5 and equation 6, Vm is equal to V maximum minus V minimum by 2. Therefore, Vm is equal to V maximum minus V minimum by 2 divided by Vc. Vc is equal to V maximum plus V minimum by 2. Therefore, Vc is V maximum plus V minimum by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So, you get M modulation index is equal to V maximum minus V minimum over V maximum plus V minimum. Thus, this is the derivation of modulation index or depth of modulation in amplitude modulation. That is, MA equals V maximum minus V minimum over V maximum plus V minimum. So, V maximum and V minimum are amplitude variations of the modulated signal. This is maximum amplitude variation and this is minimum amplitude variation. This minus this divided by this plus this is modulation index. Thank you.